This video documents the nature-based solutions and best practices presented by youth representatives from South Asia during the South Asia Regional Youth Workshop 2025 held in Kathmandu, Nepal under the theme, Green Skills and Youth Empowerment, an initiative for a better future.
Youth representatives from across the region presented their innovative eco-friendly initiatives. Indian youth promoted organic farming, preservative-free bakery products, nursery projects, and transformation of unused old clothes. Nepali youth shared their stories on the basis of their experiences they got to groom from a small idea to the reality that exists, and also showcased through a gallery walk. Pakistan's youth launched ecotourism in Karachi to promote marine conservation.
Their initiatives to reduce plastic use either by recycling or by organizing plastic-free events, promoting organic farming and bridging education gaps. Nepalese youth focused on knowledge sharing, networking, capacity building and advocacy, leading to achievements like banning single-use plastics, budget allocations, Madi municipality, and integrating climate change into local curriculum. Pakistan's youth highlighted efforts in green skill development, climate training, upcycling waste clothes, and mangroves restoration. Tajikistan's youth highlighted the Future Without Plastics project, supported by UNDP, promoting eco-friendly bags and creating jobs for disadvantaged communities. This video showcases the nature-based solutions implemented by the youth of South Asia, highlighting their best practices in environment conservation and their efforts to embrace nature.